Hello, my dear friends. Do you have these questions in your mind when you are coming out of a relationship that have do I have taken a right decision for me or not? Do I need to adjust a little more in my life or not? Do you often face these questions in your mind? Shall I give it another chance to it? Yes, we often have these questions in our mind when we are planning to come out of a relationship. Yes, all the relationships are precious to us, and so these questions are always knocking our doors. If you have this kind of confusion in your mind, then you are in a right place right now to understand it. How and what exactly to be done for that, please stay tuned till the end of my video so that I can help you to overcome your confusion. Hi, I'm Shantini, mother of a young daughter and a dog, and teacher by profession, and now I work as a relationship coach as well. I know the people face these problems in their life. I was also facing these kind of problems a few years back, but right now I have learned how to overcome them. So I want to help you through my video that how you can overcome your problems and have a fun-filled, fantastic life for yourself. I often face this problem with my clients or the people who come to me for their help. They always ask me the same question. क्या करूं? समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. क्या एक बार फिर से सोच कर देखूं? क्या ये काम करेगा? ये रिश्ता मेरे लिए सही है? Shall I leave this relationship or shall I give it a little more chance? I feel very sad for them. Yes, these are the questions which always haunt you. This is always going to come to your mind. But then, my dear friends, it is not easy to come out of a relationship. Yes, it takes a lots of your courage to come out of a relationship. So when you are taking a decision for yourself, then first and foremost thing, you need to stick to that. Yes, I will be telling you something more about it. That how these are I am now here. I ask you a few questions before you take any decision for your relationship. Ask those questions repeatedly to yourself so that you get a complete answer for yourself and you can judge yourself correctly that whether you have taken a correct decisions or not. So the first question, how will did they use all your previous chances which you have given to that person? Yes, when we want to come out of a relationship, definitely before that we give a lots of chances to that particular person to mend the relationship again and again. But then here is the time you should ask yourself that how many chances you have given to that person, and how he or she has used your chances to mend the relationship again. What is specifically will actually be different this time? Now here you have to be very, very specific about yourself, that you have given the chance to that man or that woman. Now you have to be very specific that if you have given that person that chance and again you want to give that person another chance, that how specifically he is going to use your given chance to mend the relationship. Is he doing something or is she is doing something for it? You have to be clear about it. How do you know it will be different? Now here it comes the another point. You have to know it that you are giving the chance to that person and it is going to be different this time. He has mentally and he has changed his mind to work on it. If इफ़ यू फाइंड दैट दिस इज़ नॉट वर्किंग, अगर आपको लग रहा है कि आपके दिए हुए हर बार के चांस को उसने ऐसे ही गवा दिया है, जो वो करता था वही किया, सॉरी बोला लेकिन उसके बाद उसने वही किया जो वो पहले भी करता था, तो ये आपको सोचना ही पड़ेगा कि ऐसा अगर बार बार हो रहा है तो कहाँ तक ये सही है आपके साथ। Yes, it is your life, my dear friends. You have to understand it that there is nobody has any right to play a game or a chance with you. You have to respect yourself. Remember, if we don't respect ourselves, nobody else is going to respect you. If you want the respect from others, first learn to respect yourself. This is very important that when you are giving the chance to the person, make it sure that this time it is going to be a different and he has literally changed his mind and want to make it a positive one. Now here you have to do one more thing. You have to find it out whether this person has prepared something for himself or herself to change the mind. Yes, it is very important. Only if you want to give a consistent to the relationship, it is not going to work. A relationship doesn't work in one-sided. आप अगर अकेले इस पर काम कर रहे हो तो सोच कर देखो कि कब तक आपके अकेले के काम करने से वो काम पूरा हो सकता है, वो रिश्ता जुड़ के रह सकता है। आपको ये सोचना ज़रूरी है। आप ये सोच कर देखिए कि उस व्यक्ति ने इस रिलेशनशिप के लिए क्या किया है, वो क्या सोच रहा है, कितने अपने अंदर के बदलाव को लाना चाहता है और उसके अंदर का बदलाव कितना जेन्युइन है। जब आप इन सारे सवालों के सब जवाब जान लेंगे तो मेक इट श्योर एवरीबडी इज़ गोइंग टू हैव अ वेरी गुड रिलेशनशिप विद देयर चेंज ऑफ माइंड। जब आप चेंज कर सकते हो, जब व्यक्ति ने अपने आप के लिए अपने आप को बदला है तो वो ज़रूर कुछ सोच के ही बदला होगा। देन यू गिव इट अ सेकेंड थॉट। बट अगर बार बार ये सारे काम आप खुद कर रहे हैं और उसके लिए आपके उल्टी तरफ खड़ा हुआ व्यक्ति कुछ नहीं कर रहा है and he is just telling you I'm sorry and doing the same thing again and again, it doesn't make any sense to continue with the relationship because here you are disrespecting yourself. ऐसे ही करते करते आप अपने सेल्फ एस्टीम और कॉन्फिडेंस को खोने लगते हैं। So my dear friends, please don't do so. Don't lose your confidence. Don't lose your self-esteem. It's your life. You too have a right to live it at its fullest. So please do take care of that. And एक बार मैं फिर से बता रही हूँ, जो सवाल मैंने अभी आप लोगों से पूछे हैं, अगर उसके जवाब आपके लिए पॉजिटिव है, आपने देखा कि वो व्यक्ति आपके लिए बदल रहा है, उसने Now remember one more thing. जो सवाल मैंने अभी आप लोगों से पूछा था, अगर उनके जवाब आपको पॉजिटिव मिलते हैं तो आपने जैसे ही उसके लिए ये सोचा कि आपको रिश्ते की तरफ एक बार फिर से सोचना है, ठीक उसी तरह अगर आपको इसके जवाब नेगेटिव मिल रहे हैं तो दुखी मत होइए। डोंट बी अपसेट बिकॉज देन यू आर डूइंग अ राइट थिंग फॉर योरसेल्फ। यू हैव टेकन अ राइट डिसीजन फॉर योरसेल्फ that this relationship is not working for you. So both the ways, ask these questions to yourself repeatedly and do take care of yourself and get the answers and make your own decision for yourself. Now here is another important thing to understand. मैंने जो कुछ भी कहा उस पर गौर कीजिए because it is your life. You need to take the decisions. And remember one more thing, it's my promise to you. In your decision, if you need any help from me, I'm always there. You can connect me in the Instagram. And if you need any help or if you have any queries, you just can write it in the comment. I will get back to you. It's my promise to you that in your journey, you are not alone. I'm always there to help you out. Please do connect with me if you need any help. And I hope my video is going to help you to understand your own life in a better way. Thank you.